Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi ufungile ukuthi uzoqinisa umzabalazo wokulwa nobugebengu enxusa imiphakathi ukuthi isebenzisane eduze nezinhlaka zomthetho ukuze kususwe ubugebengu emphakathini. Ekhuluma ngesikhathi somhlangano wokuxoxisana nomphakathi obuhlelwe ngungqongqoshe mayelana nodlame olubhekiswe kwabobulili obuthile, ukubulawa kwabesifazane kanye nokuvinjelwa kobugebengu e-Ivory Park ngoLwesibili, uLesufi wamukela ukwehla ngo-5.2% kwezinga lobugebengu esifundazweni kule koti edlulile. Nokho bese egcizelela ukuthi kusekuningi okusamele kwenziwe, ikakhulukazi ekulweni nodlame olubhekiswe kwabobulili obuthile kanye nokubulawa kwabantu besifazane.
Inyembezi zenu anyeke ziwele phansi. As long some of us are still standing, all the issues that you are raising are going to attend to them. Yabona mina ngiyazenzela. Amanye ama-province kuno MEC wamaphoyisa, MEC la eGauteng MEC wamaphoyisa ngizibambele yimi nje. Because we can't allow crime to continue the way it is in our province. If we can't defeat crime, we'll never grow the economy, we'll never create jobs in our province. So crime is our number one enemy. So whoever is doing crime, that person must know that he hates South Africa. And he hates South Africans. And we are not going to tolerate that person. I want to put it quite clear. The provincial commissioner we asked, angifuni crime la eGauteng. And I'm proud, but it's still too high. I'm proud that in the last quarter we reduced crime in Gauteng by 5.2%. But at least it's no longer going up, which is a difference. It's no longer going up, especially gender-based violence. For the first time in the last quarter, we turned the corner on gender-based violence. All other crimes, murder, except kidnapping, murder, assault, all these things, in Gauteng they were going down, but gender-based violence was the only one that was continuing to go up.